speak, I'm taking cue from what Mr. Mishra was Mishram was mentioning. So today, sir, whether irrespective, it's not only in medical field, even in technology field, we don't have very skilled guys. We have very few guys, right? So how we can address this is something what we can do is, especially in medical line, and it is also connected to what you are asking. Is there are a few, I just talked about one flavor of the technology, which is IoT, right? So which actually goes to the user sort of a thing. But if you take artificial intelligence and virtual reality or augmented reality, these three have done revolutions in medicine, right? So it can be either treatment or surgery or whatever it is, like whatever he was mentioning, even in teaching. Because if you have a great professor, he can sit in his room and he can deliver lectures. And that can, and if you are going to go from 8 to 10 to 50 to 100, you will land in this problem in terms of getting good teach, because you don't want to, one is giving education and giving, like you said, quality education, right? So today these technologies are available and you should be able to take advantage of that. So it is possible, okay? Coming to your, this thing in terms of patient, what do you call, bed availability. When did you last go to a railway station to book a ticket? Today, anybody goes to the railway station to book a ticket? I can sit in the phone, I can book from here Shatabdi Express to Delhi or wherever, right? And I can see whether it is available or not available. Technology is possible, right? And we are, okay, whether I can say, we are working with Chris, CRIS is one of our customers, where we are helping. See, again, the app and the use case, I don't think there is any dearth of use cases in India. But all I see is, you have to not just invent or revolutionize in your field. There are a lot of things happening in the other fields. The passenger reservation system, you don't know how many hits are having. You just can, it's as good as you, maybe beyond that. You try to log in when the net Tatkal time period, 9:30 to that 10:30, 1 hour period, you will not be able to log in. And if you are logging in for a ticket which is later, they will not allow you to log in. They said you log in after 10:30. So the same system, the same learnings can be taken, but you're right, all these things have to be linked in a sort of a thing, which is like database consolidation. And once you have data, big data, what we call, absolutely, you can't. For example, you need to first, there are a lot of islands of data, you have to first consolidate, digitize those islands and then connect it. And for example, if you're having a patient, his record can be linked to an Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card today is an individual identity, right? So, and even today, if you go to labs, nobody goes to the lab to pick up the report. They say, okay, we'll load it. You just go and download it from this, because they save paper and they save time and all that stuff.
I want that it will reconcile across the organization.
So that's what I'm saying. Each and every unit, first of all, that value chain, the ecosystem has to be, it's in islands. We have to digitize those islands and enable it from technology to have their standalone self-sufficient. And then, like you said, once you have this, then you put it into registry or you put it into patient monitoring system. You can actually, in the West, they have done it even with insurance companies. For automobile companies today, what they're doing is, your insurance for your automobile is based on your driving pattern. Today it is possible, because all your vehicles are all having some chip where if you go to the service center, they connect something and they pull out a lot of information, right? Based on that, they tell you, is he a good driver or a bad driver, and based on that, your insurance premium gets fixed. Similarly, if you're going to a health insurance and you say, I want a 1 crore insurance or something, they tell you there are a lot of apps in there, like fitness app, this app, that. They go through and they say whether this guy is connected to all these things. Is he a good person with the regular habits? Is he working out? So in then your health insurance premium comes down.
Absolutely.
So like you rightly said, these things, use cases, I don't think there is a dearth of use cases in India. And today, believe me, technology is available.
Right.
All is that we have to put all these guys together, give them a problem statement. This is what we want to achieve. I think it is possible, and I'm very, very positive. I'm not doing a sales talk here, because I'm seeing this happening in a lot of places, and people are utilizing it from their perspective to put it.
Right.
So for you answer your question, it is possible forever. And for example, that is what I was saying. Whatever technology, underlying technology you need to have. For example, if the surgeon is saying you have to cut, or you have to cut this vein or this artery, it should cut that same artery. So whether it is latency sensitive or whether it is packet drop, the quality of the network should be of top standard, right? It's mission critical. It's life or death situation.
Absolutely.
So that's where all this scalability, resiliency, your these things, all these things come in.